Hello guys and welcome to another vlog. Today we are driving this. This is the Maruti Suzuki Alto, which is one of the most selling hatchbacks of the India. Straight away let's open the engine bay of the vehicle. So this is a very small 0.8 liter petrol unit which produces 79 Newton meter of torque. Let's close it. So this is the front look of the car, which looks quite promising, and most of the Indians likes this car because of its worthy for money as well as low cost, so people can afford it. This is the halogen setup of the car. You get LED lamps over here, you get a halogen setup over here, you get a parking lamp over here, you get a little bit of chrome finish in the headlight itself. You don't get any kind of fog lamps in this car, but you can fix it later from the company accessories. You get a Suzuki grill over here with the Suzuki logo in the center. Number 2, you get another grill. So this is the front look of the car, which looks quite promising and liked by most of the Indians who can afford this car.
चलते रहे हम चलते हैं यूं शान से जिंदा है हम चलते रहे हम चलते हैं
बेबी की पहली सवारी
जिंदा है हम चलते रहे हम
वो हैं जो चलते हैं शान से और नई ऑल्टो चलाते हैं
शान से.
You get a single sprayer for this car with 2 wipers. Let's come to the side look of the car. So this is the side look of the car. You get 12-inch wheels over here, which are not alloys but might look like they are alloy wheels, but actually it's a plate. You can see you get an indicator over here and not on the ORVMs. You get body side molding over here. You get revised mirrors for this car. The mirrors earlier on the Alto were quite shabby and doesn't suit it at all. You get antenna over here. Let's come to the rear. So this is the rear look of the car, which looks quite promising as well. This is the tail lamp of the car. You get indicators as well as rear lamps over here. You get 2 rear sensors for this car. You get here a stop lamp as well. Let's open the boot of the car. You have to manually open it with the key. You get a hydraulic tailgate of that, which is a quite nice touch. The boot space is decent and not so big, but it's good in a size. You get parcel shelf over here, which you can remove. You can also split the rear seats of the car. Let me show you. So we can split the rear seats in this manner, which will definitely increase the boot space if you want to carry more luggage. So have a look at the boot space. You can also remove the parcel shelf of the car. So let's close it. Actually the hydraulics gives a very nice touch to the boot. Again, have a look at the rear. You get a petrol lid opening over here. You get Alto written over here on the side molding too. Let's get into the rear of the car. So getting into the rear, you don't get any sort of bottle or document holder over here. You get silver color finish around on the door openers. You get car lock unlock knob over here. You have to adjust the windows manually. You don't get power windows control. Let's get into the rear seat. There is a nice touch over here. You get 3 proper seat belts for the rear seats too. So that's a quite nice thing. Getting into the rear, the car doesn't feel more spacious like Celerio we saw. It's a more spacious car. In Alto, if you look at the underneath thigh support, we see it's not too much, but it's decent in size. Knee room is also decent and leg room is also decent. It's not like the car is too congested, but it's good in the size, and 3 people can accommodate here but can't sit comfortably. 2 people can sit comfortably, but 3 have to make some type of adjustments. You get a handle over here, you get a handle over here, you get a handle over there, and as usual no handle for the driver's seat. Let's have the look at the dashboard of the car before we get into the driver's seat. So the dashboard of the car doesn't look so premium, but it is well revised. AC vents also look nice, and the infotainment system catches the all attention of the customers. It gives a very nice touch. Also you can see here this button is for voice commands, also a nice touch into this car. Let's get into the driver's seat. So guys, getting into the driver's seat, you can see again a knob for lock and unlock the car. You get again a treatment around the handle of the car. You get a document holder over here and not a bottle holder. You get a speaker over here. Now many people would be imagining where is the control for the windows. The control for windows is over here for both driver as well as co-driver seat. You don't get any kind of height adjustment for this car. You just get front as well as back side and this adjustment for this one. Let's get into the car. You get circular AC vents over here with silver finish around. You get headlamp leveler from here. This is the steering of the car, which is decent in shape. Doesn't get any kind of leather wrapping. SRS airbag written over here. SRS airbag written over here. So this car comes with 2 airbags as well as ABS and EBD. You get 2 disc brakes for the front wheels and 2 drum brakes for rear wheels. This is the instrument cluster of the car. Let me show you. So you have to manually start it. So here we go. It's with simple dials on it and doesn't look quite promising. These are the AC vents, which doesn't get any kind of chrome treatment around it like we saw in Celerio. This is switch for the hazard lamp. These are the power window control as I have shown you. You get power windows control for only front 2 seats, and in rear seat you have to adjust manually windows. You get switch for AC vents over here. You don't get any kind of automatic climate control AC. You get storage space over here, twin cup holders. You also get storage space over here for keeping your mobiles as well. You get here a USB as well as aux socket. You get 12-volt charging socket over here. So quite nice touch. Okay, and the thing which captures every customer's eyes, the new Alto is revised very well with this kind of infotainment system. It comes with USB as well as aux connections. It also gets Bluetooth connectivity from which you can make phone calls. So a very nice touch to the infotainment system. See FM, Bluetooth, USB and aux. Dashboard of the car doesn't look so promising. You get off-white treatment over here and a black treatment over here. The club box is on the extreme left side. It's in the club box is decent in size and not so big. Okay, you don't get any kind of auto dimming rear view mirror. You get these simple lights which might remind you of older Altos. This is something very unique. You get a voice command in Alto. Wow, that's a quite nice touch. You can give voice commands in the Alto itself. You don't get any kind of adjustment for the headrest. They are all just fixed at the one place. You get control for the wipers from here. You get 3 sprayers. They are decent in size and does not offer so much of spray. You get headlamp control from here. You can see. So guys, Maruti Suzuki Alto now gets fresh set of styling and feature upgrades. The hatchback is available in 3 variants with a new BS6 compliant engine and a new set of standard safety features. Maruti Suzuki Alto is also available in 6 colors options to choose from: Uptown Red, Superior White, Silky Silver, Granite Grey, Mojito Green and Blue color as well. And also guys, Alto continues to be the best selling car in the India month after month with a monthly average sale of 22,000 units. A lot of other players tried taking on the Alto but were never really able to come even close to the success quotient. So guys, Alto is a very fuel efficient as well as budget car for the Indian people. So guys, that was all about Alto. Hope you liked the video. You can subscribe to the channel if you are new. Thanks for watching.